I'm sure you want to keep track of your hottest leads. You never want to miss the opportunity to close a deal, and you certainly don't want to see an interested reply buried under leave me alone responses. I'll show you how to easily manage thousands of emails without missing a single deal. I'm Veronica, and today we'll talk about managing your cold email inbox. Or rather, inboxes, because if you do cold outreach, you likely have multiple inboxes you send messages from. Switching between them can be annoying and sometimes cost you new clients. What if I told you that you could see all your emails from all inboxes in one view and manage them from there? To do that, you need a centralized inbox, which is available in Woodpecker. A centralized inbox is a place where you can see all your emails from all inboxes in one view. It's like how your Spotify gathers music from various artists and albums into one app. The centralized inbox does the same for your emails, pulling them all together so you can easily manage them. You can see which campaign they are linked to and which email address is the recipient of the prospect's reply. This means you don't have to switch between email inboxes to check for new replies. And trust me, if you use more than 10 email accounts, or if you have a lead generation agency or sales team, you'll save so much time. But it gets even more valuable as you look at the left side, where your messages are automatically filtered and organized into categories. Your emails are sorted into folders. You have main folders like responded, bounced, or blacklisted. Your out-of-office messages are also automatically sent to their own folder auto-replied, so you know how many of your prospects are away. Besides that, you will find folders at the top, where Woodpecker's AI feature detects sentiment and assigns statuses such as interested, not interested, or maybe later to your prospect responses. These filters allow you to focus on your most promising leads. You have easy access to your interested leads, so you can respond first to the hottest prospects and maximize your chances of booking meetings with them. So, the centralized inbox is designed to make your daily prospecting life easier. You'll spend way less time managing emails and more time actively prospecting, which is always good for growing your business. Scaling your outreach is important, but managing more emails requires some strategy, and we can help you with that. If you want to try the centralized inbox, check out the link in the description, or simply go to Woodpecker.co. This feature is included in all plans at no extra charge. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below or contact our support team. Or maybe you're interested in scaling your outreach now that you have an inbox that allows you to manage all your email accounts. If so, here is your tutorial on how to scale safely with us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell if you want to hear more from us. See you next time. Bye!